Okay, guys, got a 2018 Ford F-150. Customer states windshield wipers do absolutely nothing. Vehicle's got 140,000 miles on it. Definitely shouldn't be having this problem. So we're gonna figure out what's going on and see what we can figure out. In any diagnostics, the first place that I'm always going to recommend starting off is at the fuse. If we've got a bad fuse, no sense in going any place further than that. We have to replace that to get power back to the circuit. So first place we're going to look is this under hood fuse box. Already pulled the fuse and checked that, but I wanted to show you guys right here that fuse, number 30 amp wiper circuit. Okay, gonna put this fuse back in because we know that it's good. Next step is these on either side little clips that are holding the cover shroud. You'll just push those loose and gain access to the wiper switch. These are the two little clips I was talking about. Next, it'll be removing these two torque screws, and the wiper switch should come straight out. So it looks like these are a T10 torque screw, and the bottom bolts were a 7/32. After we get those T10 torque screws out, the switch should just slide out. There we go. Old switch, new switch. Well, should be straight, simple swap. Okay, guys, perfect time to finish up because it decided it wanted to rain on me. Got everything back together. Time to test. I'll call that one good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.